Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the WordPress tutorial on this channel. So today we want to take a look at the menu options of a WordPress website. So the menu options are the navigations that you can see at the top. For instance, in this website we see the home, the miscellaneous, the about, and the contact us, and we want to add another categories. Like it could be a categories, it could be a page to the list that are already there. For instance, I want to achieve this, so I want to have the random articles and the word event to the navigation that is there. If you notice from this tab, we already have the home, we have the miscellaneous, we have the about, and we have the contact. So I want to also add word event and random articles to this tab. So in this today's episode, we are going to take a look at how we can achieve just that. So let's get started. So the first thing is you log into your WordPress dashboard. So this happens to be the dashboard of the current website that I just showed you. So this is the dashboard, and if you want to add a categories, whether it is your header or your footer or anywhere, you in order to add that, you come to the appearance and you click on the menu. So the you come down to the menu. So the menu is where you get to add what you want to show at the navigation of your website. So you can add navigation to the footer, the header, or the top header. So and the whether you're going to have one menu located on your website or you're going to have three menu, it depends on the theme you are using. So for instance, the theme that I'm using have the options of this display location. So I have the options of displaying menu at the main menu. I can also display at the flyout menu. I can also display at the footer menu. So the main menu is the one that I just showed you here. So the flyout menu here is the one that is here. So it's the one that is right there, and the footer menu is when you scroll down. So it's going to be here. Because I haven't clicked anything to, because I haven't added it to show at the footer menu, that's why the footer menu is still empty. So now here I already have the home, miscellaneous, about, and content. So and if you notice here, so I have the home, miscellaneous, about, and content. That is the current navigation, that is the current option that is already on my navigation. So but if you haven't added any navigation to your website, you are likely to see something. So you are likely to see something like this. That means you haven't yet added any menu to your website. So you're going to have to create create a menu. So you can say, okay, footer menu. So that is, I want this menu to appear at the footer of my site. So you just click on create. But in the next tutorial video, we are going to talk about that one in order not to digress from our main tutorial. So yeah, I have the home, miscellaneous, about, content, which I already have here, and I want to add something else to it. So if you want to add to it, you by the left side there, you're going to see something like pages, you see posts, you see custom links, and you see categories. So if you want to add something to this site, so let's say I want to add categories to my WordPress navigation bar. So you click on this here, click on view all. So I want to add word effect and random articles, which is not here already. So once you click on this, then you click on add to menu. So when you click on add to menu, you can drag to arrange their position. So I want these random articles to be the first after the home. I want the word event to follow after random articles, then followed by miscellaneous, followed by about, followed by content. Then I can now save my menu. So when you save our menu, you also, and there is also something I want to quickly bring your attention to. So when you click on save menu, you also have to choose the location that you want this menu to appear. So the name of the menu is header menu, which is the name I gave it, and these are the options that are going to show in the menu. And the display location that is right here, the display location that you can see here, means where do you want this menu to show. So I can click on, I want it to show on the footer menu, and I want to show on the flyout menu. So this means the menu is going to appear on the main menu, the flyout menu, and the footer menu. And then I can click on save menu to save my changes. So when I click on save menu, reload my page. So right there, I'm going to have home, random articles, word event, miscellaneous, about, contact us, which is something that I show there. So you can also, so this is the if you notice, I click on three main location here, the main menu. So this is for the main menu. The flyout menu is the one that is right there. So I have the flyout menu here, and the one that is the footer menu is the footer menu means down. So this is the footer menu, and that's all about how to create and how to create a menu, and how to add an option to your and how to add an option to your menu. It could be, and the beautiful things about adding menu is not fixed on only categories. You can decide to add pages also. It could be your about us pages, contact us pages, and etc. And you can also link to an external site. So in the future tutorials, we are going to talk about more options on the menu navigation bar. So for now, you can practice on this one to get to know how to do it. See you some other time. Bye bye.